Unable to convert is Manila as Mayo able to secure that rebound. And Caloocan once again running. Here's a mid-range jumper that fails to fall. And Mayo down low gets that big and one. Flexing his muscles on that pound-for-pound foul counted.
Nadaan sa sipag doon ni John Resty Mayo. That offensive rebound. Dito makikita natin, no? Instead of blocking out para makarecover, humampas players ng Manila.
And Caloocan now up 2 possessions, 54-50 with 6 minutes and 32 left to go in this third quarter. John Resty Mayo with a chance to extend this lead once again to 5. Let's see if he can convert on that pound-for-pound fitness foul counted play. Great aggressiveness being shown here by Caloocan. Not phased at all, Coach Don, by the fight back of Manila.
Dito natin makikita yung composure ng Caloocan, no? Similar to their first game, no? They had a decent lead, no? Nung lumalaban doon yung Mandaluyong, they were able to stay composed. Dito sa game na to, napakaraming runs ng Manila, no? They've been threatening to tie the game, pero etong Caloocan, may bawi rin kagad.
And you could say, Coach, that the story for both teams going into this game similar but on opposite ends. And the contrast in styles and contrast in action and game story, what we're also seeing here once again today, Coach.
Yes, that is correct. And these things just make this game more exciting para sa hapon natin ito.
And definitely what we love to see, exciting action in the 21 and under division. By Villanes, who misses that 3. And once again running is Manzano. Drop pass down low to Mayo, who takes it up strong for that 2-point layup on the fast break.
Again,